laddies, I am Pradiksha and I welcome you all to our channel My Career Motherhood. Today again I have bought an instant mix recipe for your baby. This is instant fox nuts and cashew nut mix recipe for your baby. So whenever we are planning to go somewhere, it is always a headache in our mind that what we are going to give to our baby if we have to travel. So this is the ideal recipe. Apart from this, I have already posted 2 recipes of rice cereal and oats and dalia, that is a broken wheat cereal, which you can also carry whenever you are going anywhere. So this is the third recipe which is really going to help you out whenever you are going anywhere with your baby. So you just need to have a flask of hot water and this mix, and you just need a feeding bowl and spoon, and you can prepare it anywhere. So before starting the video, I would like to tell that you can start this recipe of mix fox nuts and cashew nut mix to 6 months plus baby. But before introducing fox nuts, please do introduce basic cereals to your baby like rice gruel and yellow gram dal or lentils, which we say, or any fruit puree. And after that you give fox nuts, because if there is any kind of allergy, you will get to know whether it is from that cereal or fox nuts. So always follow a 3-day rule while introducing any cereal to your baby. So what is 3-day rule, that you will get to know in my solid video, the I button above, and you will get it now. So you can introduce it to 6 months baby, and when you are introducing to your 6 month baby, don't add cashew nuts in this mix. When the baby turns 8 months, then you prepare this mix for your baby along with cashew nuts, and it will be an ideal mix for your baby. So first watch the video till the end so that you get to know the complete recipe, and then we will discuss some nutritional values of cashew nuts and fox nuts with you. So let's get started with the video. So here I have taken 1 cup of fox nuts and I have cut them into 2 pieces so as to deworm them, and then I have sun dried them nicely. So now these are done, and now we are going to take some cashew nuts. These are my cashew nuts, around 8 to 10 pieces of cashew nuts I have taken, and 1 piece of cardamom, which is completely optional, but it really enhances the taste of the mix. Now I am taking the pan, I have switched on the flame, and now we have to roast the fox nuts very nicely until they turn very crunchy, and they will change their color to brown. Now slowly and slowly we have to keep on stirring them in between, and you will see they are changing their color slightly. Now how we are going to check whether they are roasted or not? Here you will see they have changed their color a lot and they are almost done. Now we have to check whether they are done or not, they are crunchy or not. We are just going to pick up few pieces from our hand, and we are going to crush it like this. If it turns out to be in powder form, it means it is completely roasted and completely done. Or you can take 1 or 2 in your mouth and pop up in your mouth and just try them whether they are crunchy or not. So now I am going to take out this fox nuts in a plate so that they cool down and keep them aside. And here I am taking them out in a plate and I will keep them aside. And in the same pan we are going to roast our cashew nuts. You can cut them into 2 half, or you can just roast it directly. So here my cashew nuts are changing their color. They are little more roasted, but it's completely okay, the flavor won't differ much. So this is completely done, and then I have switched off the flame, and in the hot pan only I am just roasting the cardamom, and you can see the brown patches. The purpose of roasting it is that because as we are going to mix it in a blender jar, so the peel of the cardamom will also be turned out to be a nice powder. So now I have taken a blender jar after they all are cooled down, and I will make a nice mix. Now please see how I am using the mixer grinder. So here you have seen I have just switched on and switched off the flame, because as there is dry fruit cashew nut in it, and if we will continuously switch on the motor of the mixer grinder, then the cashew nut will leave it moisture and the mixture will be spoiled completely and will be of no use. And then I have taken out in a glass jar. Try to store every mix of babies in a glass jar or BPA free plastic container. Glass jars are always more preferable. So my mix is completely ready. You can take it anywhere, everywhere, whenever you are going out with your baby, and it is a no cook ready mix. Now let's see how we are making the porridge. First of all, we will take the pan and we will boil a glass of water lump sum. Very hot piping water we need to take, because we have to carry out in a flask. Now I am taking 2 full spoon of this mix, fox nuts and cashew nut mix, and then we are slowly going to add water in it. Just add slowly so that there is no lump there, and you can change the consistency of the mix according to the age of the baby. If the baby has just started the solid, then make it little dilute. If the baby is little grown up, then thicken it. Now cover it and rest it for 2 to 3 minutes so that it is completely cooked. And you have not used the pan also here, just no flame, no stove, and the mix is completely ready. Now you can serve it to your baby anywhere and everywhere. Also, now I am adding here a tablespoon of ghee. See, if your baby is very small, please do discuss with your doctor, pediatrician, before introducing any fat item like ghee, homemade ghee or butter or anything, or it is completely optional. Now whenever you are going out, you just need a flask of hot piping water, this mix, and a feeding bowl and spoon, and you can prepare this mix anywhere and everywhere and serve to your baby. It is very tasty to eat, and your baby will love to eat it. So this is our mix. So as you have seen, it is a very simple mix to be prepared, and this is the mix which you can prepare and store for around 2 months in your refrigerator. But I would always recommend you, and I always say in all my videos, that prepare in small quantities, like for 7 days or 10 days, and then you can prepare it again, because it is very easy. You don't need much time for it, and you can prepare again and get it to your baby. So this is the ideal mix which you can make and take it anywhere along with your baby. Now let's talk about some of the health benefits of fox nuts. It is very good source of calcium. It contains the right amount of calcium, which is very needed for the growing up babies, for their teeth development, the strong teeth, bones development. Again, it is rich source of the dietary fiber, which prevents constipation. It is rich in antioxidants. It is very rich in protein, and according to Ayurveda, it is very good for kidney function also. So there are innumerable benefits of fox nuts. Again, when your baby turns 8 months or 9 months and it's time to start finger food for your baby, so you can introduce this food for your baby, like roasted foxnut, which is again there in my channel. You can check out the roasted foxnut recipe. It is very simple. Again, you can take it anywhere, and kids, I believe me, kids love to eat roasted foxnuts, which is a very crunchy snack and ideal finger food for your baby. Now coming to cashew nuts. Cashew nuts, again, as we know, dry fruits are very good for healthy weight gain of the babies. And the benefits of cashew nuts are that they are good source of copper, which is very needed for energy production in our body. Again, that contains potassium, zinc, magnesium, and all this help in boosting the immunity of the baby, and innumerable benefits of nuts are there. So just follow a 3-day rule, whether the baby is having any kind of allergy or not, rashes, itching, running nose or anything, though nothing happens with 95% of the kids. But as the babies are so small, we have to check them for 3 days at least. That we can do. So just enjoy this recipe. I am sure your baby is going to love it and won't hesitate in eating it. At least my baby Devisha love to eat it. So I already always have a mixture of this fox nuts with me. So I hope you liked the video, you enjoyed the recipe. Please share with all the mothers, because these tips are very much required by all the mothers whenever we are going anywhere. So I hope you like it. So if you like the video, please do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share with everyone. Till then, happy parenting, happy life, stay healthy, stay happy, goodbye.